Let's create this Apple Vision Pro Netflix design in Figma. It looks so cool and a perfect project to add to your portfolio. Take a second to subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's start. Start by creating a frame and give it 1920 width and 1080 height. Now I have a living room image here from Unsplash that I am bringing inside the frame. Align it so it looks nice. Select the image and add a layer blur of 10. Just like this. Now draw a rectangle and give 1300 width and 850 height. Center align it and give it border radius of 50. Select the rectangle and add a linear gradient fill like this. Both colors will be white. Decrease the opacity of both colors to 20%. Just like this. Add a third color point in the middle and give it opacity 30%. Also, change the direction of the gradient to something diagonal like this. And now, for the magic, add a background blur of 50, just like this, and boom, we have a Apple Vision Pro card. Add a stroke for some shine, select linear gradient, make it diagonal, make both colors white. Add two more points like this. Give second point 0 opacity and the third point 30 opacity. Beautiful. Now let's duplicate this rectangle and give the new rectangle 80 width and 300 height. Just like this. Bring it over here and align both of them to the center of the frame. Now let's create navigation icons. Draw a rectangle, give 64 width and height, give border radius of 100 to make it rounded, and let's add a video icon. Bring this icon on top of the circle in the center, make it white, select the rectangle, give it white color and change the fill opacity to 30%. Select the icon and the rectangle and make it auto layout using Shift A and make it a component like this. Let's name it nav item and add a variant. Let's name the variant state hovered. Change the fill opacity of this variant to 15%. Now add another variant. Let's call it inactive and give this fill opacity of 0. Beautiful. Now let's add an interaction from inactive variant to the hovered variant like this. Interaction will be on hover, Smart Animate, ease out with 300 ms. Now let's bring the copy of this item inside the frame, just like this. Align it properly and make 4 copies of this nav item. Make sure to give some space between them. Perfect. Now select these 3 and change their state to inactive. Now let's change the icons as per our features. Add a search icon, add a notification bell over here, bell outline, And for account, we will use this icon over here. You can use any icon you want. Now let's add a rectangle for Netflix logo background. So draw a rectangle over here. Put it something here and give it 80 height and width. Align it in the middle and give it 100 border radius to make it rounded. Now I have a Netflix logo here, so I will just bring it inside the frame, copy and paste it inside here, and place it in the middle, just like this. Now change the background to white. Apple Vision Pro cards are ready. Now let's bring in some content. I already have created this movie component to save some time. So I'm just gonna drag it inside here, put it over here and duplicate it a few times. Make sure to give them equal spacing, and that's it. Now select this background card over here and duplicate it by Command D or Control D on Windows. Now with duplicated rectangle selected, we will select all other items inside it and right click and click Use as Mask. This will clip the content inside our card. We are done. I'm gonna quickly change the image and the names of the movies. That's it. I have a hover state for movie component selected, so I'm just gonna make it default state. This was done when I created this movie list component. You don't have to do that. Now, lastly, just duplicate this frame, and from the first frame, we bring all the content down, just like this, and add an interaction of after delay from prototype, from first frame to the second frame, after delay 1 ms, Smart Animate, gentle transition of 1500 ms. Let's preview. And here is our Netflix concept in Apple Vision Pro. It's a beautiful animation that you can add to your portfolio to impress your viewers. Now, if you have any questions about any part of this video, please leave a comment and I promise I will help you out. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.